Madam Merlin to do the award.
Yes, are you here, Madam Merlin, please? Okay, wala si Merlin. So let's award the winner.
Merlin Skincare Ambassador. Sino ang sa palagay ninyo?
Sino dito ang
May gandang balat ba yun?
magandang balat kahit hindi maputi but very fair skin?
Balikinitan.
Oo.
Pilipinang Pilipina. Without further ado, tawagin na natin ang winner. Merlin Skincare Ambassador goes to La Señorita! Palagpakan natin ang La Señoritas Award, the Ambassador for Merlin Skincare.
Doon ka lang dahil lang, senyoritas. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. And now, our second special award is Maharlika Centro Estetico.
Another,
Award.
yes. Ang daming-
Another skincare clinic. To be awarded, of course, by Maharlika Jen Martinez of Maharlika. And the winner is
Maharlika Centro Estetico Ambassadress, Pinoy Ako!
Faith Ardon.
Awarded by Maharlika Representative.
Congratulations, Pinoy Ako Spain, for winning Maharlika Aesthetic Ambassadress. Okay,
Thank you and congratulations.
so we will be awarding the People's Choice Award.
People's Choice Award.
Pinakamadaming likes,
Yes.
love,
Sa
and
shares
shares
sa
sa
Facebook.
Facebook. Okay?
Sino ba kayong bet nyo? Sino maraming nag-like?
Sino kayong nalilike dito? Okay, and the winner is
To be awarded by... Okay, meron mag-award.
Oo. To be awarded by meron People's Choice Award goes to Amphel Eliza Monique Bueno Rosales.
Congratulations, Ampil! People's Choice Award. Ayan po, si Miss
To be
Eliza.
awarded by Miss Shan Sabio.
Ampil es la Asociación Mujeres Filipinas de Madrid.
I love your accent.
With a Z today.
Oo.
Congratulations, Eliza. At ngayon naman, ready na ba kayo sa ating major winners? We will start with the second runner-up.
The second runner-up, garnering an average score of 87%. Ang laki.
Ang laki.
Out of 100%.
The second runner-up goes to Galeon de España Eagles Club, Miss Queen Isabel Adobo
She
Unciano.
is, the winner is sponsored by Madrid Filipino Athletic Club, Cyril Amante, and Mary Rose Quinto.
Congratulations, second runner-up, Galeon de España Eagles. She is awarded by the representative of Madrid Filipino Athletic Club. Maraming salamat and congratulations, Queen.
And now, the first runner-up. The first runner-up has garnered an average score of 1 point lang. 88% to be awarded by
Mr. Badong Duero
and Nico
from Western Union. Wala ba tayong drum roll dyan para maano naman? Yung makapagdam.
Sino bang bet ninyo for first runner-up?
Who is your bet? First runner-up, Binibining Kalayaan. Ayan, kayo na mag-drum roll.
Oo, walang music. Salary deduction ng ating sound system. First runner-up goes to Amphil Eliza Monique Bueno Rosales.
Congratulations, Amphil.
Barrio Fiesta Mute Edition. Kasi walang music. Oo.
Ayan, hindi natin matatanggap pag walang drum roll talaga.
Ididak namin sa sweldo nila yan. Mamaya. And Sharon, Arian Shopify for the gift pack. Thank you so much, Arian Shopify.
Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors for Binibining Kalayaan.
Oo, matatapos nila to, wala pa tong music. I promise.
Ayan na, are we ready for the Binibining Kalayaan, the first ever Filipina na ma-awardan Binibining Kalayaan?
Who's
Palaka.
your bet?
Sino ang iyong bet? Sigaw! Sigaw pa! Ladies and
The
gentlemen,
Binibining Kalayaan will be awarded to be awarded by Miss Sharon Arozal of Sharon Aesthetic, Ma'am G, and of Department of Tourism and Miss Man of the World 2025.
Mr. Jewel Misayin, si Ma'am Gita, galing pa yan sa London.
Okay. Kaya pala blonde. Galing London.
Are you all ready para i-announce natin itong winner? Ayan, di na makapag-antay. Maestro, ready na mga ating drum roll dyan?
With an average score of 89%,
Our Binibining Kalayaan
2025 is
La Señorita Rosita David Taguhoy!
to be awarded again by Ma'am Ching of DTI,
Philippine Tourism,
Philippine
London
Tourism,
office,
sorry, Sharon Arozal,
and Mr. Jewel
and Mr.
Misayin,
Jewel Misayan.
Man of the World. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin lahat ng ating mga binibini and of course, our winners. Palakpakan po natin lahat.
Okay, second runner-up. Yes, please go over there in front of the stage. And first runner-up, you will have a gift certificate from Maharlika Centro Estetico and Arian Shopify. Ang daming award, grabe.
Ayan. Picture muna.
Thank you so much, Sharon Arozal.
Maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga sponsors for Binibining Kalayaan. There you have it, our winners.
And Ma'am G of
Philippine Tourism London office.
and Jewel, Man of the World 2025.
Once again, maraming salamat to our sponsors. Sharon Arozal, Badong Duero, Filipino Athletic Club, Print Your Things, Ileaco Spain, Philcom, Merlin Skincare, Maharlika, Ilang Ilang, Rain Empower, and Arian's Shopify. Congratulations to all the winners!
And the three candidates,
Hindi lalim. Nandito sa mainit, tirik na tirik ang init.
oo, di dyan nila limday, agwanta.
Grabe.
Unigingon nga,
That is why we have our booths, dahil para bisitahin nila.
para magpa,
Tumaralgo.
yes, lulbili.
Lulbili.
Tama ba?
Exact.
Am I saying it correctly? Magpasilong. Yes, candidates, please go forward.
Let
Please
us join our winners, Binibinis,
join our winners, candidates.
for group picture, the first ever Binibining Kalayaan.
Doon, sa gitna sila, sa gitna yung tatlo, please. Day, Ninya, can you please go over? Day, Ninya, dito ka kay katabi ni Eliza. Katabi, ayan, dyan. Para pantay ang laban. Kaya man, it's always good to be hydrated.
Yes,
Always.
inom po ng tubig. Hindi pa tayo summer will be starting next week, pero parang summer na dito.
And after this, we will have our cultural performances.
Yes, maraming mga nakahanda at meron din tayong mga palaking Pinoy dahil.
And ongoing ngayon ang ating basketball
Tournament,
tournament
andun
nandiyan
sa
sa likod.
Yes.
Oo. At saka, meron din tayong pera o bayo.
Kumanda sila, marami tayong
Yes.
preguntas.
At saka, ang ating
Yes, sa mga gusto pong sumali sa Pera o Bayong Maya, please download the app, PC Remit, and register there.
yes, kayo lahat pwedeng sumali. Ang laki ng cash prize.
Yes, you can
Na ipamimigay lang mamaya.
Once again, congratulations to all our winners, our candidates for Binibining Kalayaan. Maraming salamat, ladies! Next year, sali ako dyan, guys.
Oo. Ay, kung sasali ka, sali din ako, guys.
Okay, sali tayo
Oo.
naman. Okay. Pahiram ng costume sa Orgulyo.
I would like to acknowledge our good friend na nawawala. Miss Iya, ano po ang booth natin?
Ayan, handa na ba kayo sa ating cultural presentation?
Yes, okay.
Before we will proceed with our cultural presentation, we will have some harana, digamos.
We have our
Local artists. Sila itong mga singing champions. A big round of applause to our Madrid local artists to give us some songs.
Charisse, Jen,
And Crystal! Palakpakan!